Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel here, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click here to this plus icon, and after that we can see here this up section with invisible icons. If you want to add or remove some options from here, we should just hold the icon and drag it here to this down section. By the same way, we can add here all of the options if you want. If you want to remove just the icon feature from the panel, you should just hold it and drag it here to this up section. And to change their positions, you should just by the same way hold the icon and just drag it. As you can see, that's all simple. Just to save the changes, we should tap to the done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe for our channel.